Okay, this is how to release a outer tie rod end from a steering knuckle. So we're replacing this outer tie rod end on this car. They're pressed. There's actually like a tapered press fit where the tie rod end is pushed up into the steering knuckle, so we have to release that. So you need a puller. You can buy or rent these little pullers. First of all, there'll be a cotter pin on the nut, which I've taken out, and then you take the nut off. But don't take it off all the way, because if you do, when this releases, there's quite a bit of force. The tie rod will come flying down. So if you leave the nut on there, it keeps it from flying down. And you kind of just fit this underneath. So this is fitting underneath, kind of digging into the steering knuckle like this. This little stud here is going to push down on the, I'll just turn this down a little bit, on the stud itself of the tie rod end. And you see, and you get a wrench, and you put some pressure on it. See, what's happening is this is threading down, putting force down on that stud, and it's going to push the tie rod end right out. But it won't just push it out. Make sure it's straight there. You got to get some tension on it, and then you give the steering knuckle a whack with a bigger hammer than that. And you crank her down a bit more, like that. There. You see it released with quite a bit of force. Be careful and wear eye protection with this, because things can go flying, and then the nut can come off. And that's how you separate your tie rod end.